Pause. Look around. What do you see? The trees, the people, maybe your dog or your friends, your family, best friends. Look around. Realize that not everything with those people is forever. Not you, not them. Appreciate the memories, the quirks, the ups and the downs, the mood swings. Appreciate them. Stare up from your screen. Care for them, love them, hold them, be there for them, not for the people on your device. Appreciate every little thing in front of you. It won't always be there.